In this video, I'm going to show you how to block a specific website in Safari on macOS. First, go ahead and open System Settings. Then, look for Screen Time. Next, select Content and Privacy. If Content and Privacy is currently off, make sure to toggle it on. Now, click on Store, Web, and Game Center Content. Here you'll see a setting called Web Content. By default, it's set to Unrestricted Access. Go ahead and click that, then select Limit Adult Websites. Once you select that, a Customize button will appear. Click on it. Under the Restricted section, click the plus icon to add the websites you want to block. For this example, I'm going to type in facebook.com, then click Done, and click Done again to save. Now that the changes are applied, let's open Safari and try to access Facebook. As you can see, the browser now says the website is not allowed. Just a quick note, this method only works for Safari. If you use other browsers like Chrome, you can still access the site. If you want to completely block a website system-wide, check out the video I linked in the description below. I'll see you in the next macOS Tech Tip video. Don't forget to hit subscribe for the latest updates.